full-length audiobook summary, Get Good with Money, by Tiffany Aliche, the Budgetnista. Are you tired of feeling stressed about money? Do you struggle to save, invest, or even understand where your money is going? What if I told you that financial freedom isn't about being rich? It's about being in control of your money. In today's audiobook summary, we're diving deep into Get Good with Money by Tiffany Aliche, also known as the Budgetnista. This book offers a simple, step-by-step system to help you build wealth, eliminate financial stress, and create a secure future. Whether you're just starting out or trying to level up your financial game, this summary will give you the blueprint you need to take control of your money once and for all. The core message: financial wholeness is more important than just getting rich. Most personal finance books focus only on getting rich, but Tiffany Aliche introduces a new concept: financial wholeness. What is financial wholeness? It's not just about making more money or investing. It's about having a strong, balanced financial foundation in all areas of your money life. Financial wholeness is achievable for everyone, regardless of income level. Instead of chasing financial perfection, you focus on building stability, reducing stress, and creating long-term security. Financial wholeness means mastering these 10 key areas. 1. Budgeting. 2. Saving. 3. Debt management. 4. Credit scores. 5. Income. 6. Investing. 7. Insurance. 8. Estate planning. 9. Learning how to negotiate. 10th. Generosity. Key lesson: true financial success isn't just about having millions in the bank. It's about feeling in control of your money and having peace of mind. Key idea. Number 1. The importance of budgeting and conscious spending. A budget isn't about restriction. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. The Budgetnista's simple budgeting method: split your income into 3 categories. First, 50% for needs, rent, groceries, bills. Second, 30% for wants, fun, entertainment, travel. Third, 20% for savings and debt payoff. How to make budgeting work for you. 1. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. 2. Track every dollar. Use an app or spreadsheet to see where your money is going. 3. Use the cash envelope method. Helps prevent overspending on things like dining out or shopping. Key lesson: a budget is the foundation of financial success. Once you master it, everything else becomes easier. Key idea number 2. Saving money. Why an emergency fund is non-negotiable. An emergency fund isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Why you need an emergency fund? Unexpected expenses, car repairs, medical bills, job loss can happen anytime. Without savings, most people fall into debt when emergencies strike. How much should you save? Start with a $500 to $1,000 emergency fund if you're just starting. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses for full financial security. Key lesson: saving isn't about how much you make, but how much you keep. Key idea number 3. Destroying debt. How to get out and stay out. Tiffany's 3-step debt payoff strategy. 1. List all your debts: credit cards, student loans, personal loans, car loans, etc. 2. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method. Debt snowball: pay off the smallest debt first for motivation. Debt avalanche: pay off the highest interest debt first to save money. 3. Stop adding new debt. If you're serious about getting out, stop using credit for non-essential purchases. Key lesson: debt is a financial emergency. The sooner you eliminate it, the faster you can build wealth. Key idea number 4. Mastering credit and how to boost your score. A good credit score isn't just a number. It's the key to lower interest rates, better financial opportunities, and long-term stability. How to improve your credit score? First, pay bills on time. Payment history makes up 35% of your score. Second, keep credit utilization low. Use less than 30% of your available credit. Third, check your credit report regularly, look for errors, and dispute any mistakes. Fourth, don't close old accounts. Length of credit history matters. Key lesson: a good credit score saves you money in the long run by getting you better interest rates and financial deals. Key idea number 5, increasing your income and building wealth. 2 ways to grow wealth. First, earn more money, get a raise, start a side hustle, or build passive income streams. Second, make your money work for you. Invest wisely so your money grows over time. Ways to increase income. Ask for a raise. Tiffany teaches negotiation skills to get paid what you deserve. Start a side hustle, freelancing, online business, real estate, etc. Monetize your skills. Sell digital products, courses, coaching. Key lesson: the more you earn, the faster you reach financial freedom, but only if you manage your money wisely. Key idea number 6, investing. The secret to long-term wealth. Saving is important, but investing is how you create real wealth. How to start investing. First, start early. The longer your money is invested, the more it grows, thanks to compounding. Second, invest in index funds. Low-cost, diversified investments are great for beginners. Third, use retirement accounts. 401k, Roth IRA, or brokerage accounts can help you grow wealth tax efficiently. Key lesson: the earlier you start investing, the more wealth you build over time. Key idea number 7, financial generosity. Giving back and helping others. True wealth isn't just about what you have, it's about how you use it to improve the lives of others. Why giving is part of financial wholeness. Helps build a positive money mindset, strengthens communities, and helps those in need. Makes you feel more fulfilled and grateful for what you have. Key lesson: financial success isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about using it to make a positive impact. Final thought: master your money, master your life. Getting good with money isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. Financial wholeness is a journey. Every step you take brings you closer to freedom and peace of mind. If you want to transform your financial future, read Get Good with Money and apply these lessons today. Get the full book at the link below. Subscribe for more financial freedom book summaries that will change your money mindset. What's the biggest money lesson you've learned? Let me know in the comment below.